Bonjour, c'est Madame Torres. Hi everyone, it's Madame Torres, and this week I decided to go ahead and record a video for you instead of just posting something in our class announcements. So I have a couple of things I want to make sure that we cover today. As you can see, for today, September 24th, I'm giving you a day to work on catching up with your coursework. Learning another language, it takes a lot of time, and sometimes we need a little extra time to be able to catch up. So that's what this day is for. Make sure that you click on it to see what exactly I want you to do today. I want to make sure that you read the feedback that I've left you on your project rough draft that you submitted on Friday. If you turned it in last week, I've already added a grade to it, and I've already read it and left you feedback. If you have not submitted this assignment yet, please do so today, Monday. You need to get it done because especially if you're in French 2, you're going to need it for class tomorrow. Take some time to go through your grade book today and see if there's anything missing from class. Now in class on Tuesday, we are actually going to go over some verb conjugation, a lot of verb conjugation. And so it would be very helpful if you went over those documents that I gave you last week when I talked to you about your project. You also have quite a few assignments due this week, but these are assignments that you would have to complete anyways. They're practice in your lessons that you were going to have to do anyways. So just make sure that when you go into your class plan for the day, you click on what it is that you're doing. So on Wednesday, you'll start working on lesson 1. And I would also look at what is due that day, because whatever is due that day will probably be the ending of where I want you to kind of stop for that day. So what do I mean? Let's look at French 1 and I'll show you. If you go to the class plan and let's look at Wednesday. Ignore this. This is, the other classes like you guys always have. But for French 1, I have you guys working on lesson 1 on Wednesday. But then I also have the unit test due. So I would do this unit test first and then go ahead and begin working on lesson 1. And then on Thursday, you can see what else is due. I have speaking test due for French 1 and reading practice. So these are both also still in Unit 1, right? So let's see, the speaking log practice, Unit 7, Lesson 1, it says set 1, speaking log practice. So let's look at where that is in Lesson 1. I'm scrolling down. And it is right there. So it's about halfway through. So that's what you would do.